Hello students, nice to meet you all for English subject. This is our second meeting. The topic is talking about self by a letter and an email. On the last week, I had told you that a letter and an email consist of some paragraph, and each paragraph have one main idea and details. Now I want to show you a letter from Saida. This letter consists of some paragraph, and each paragraph have one main idea and detail. Attention to paragraph 1. It was very interesting to read your letter about yourself and your hometown. I would really like to be your pen friend. This paragraph have main idea. It is Saida was happy to receive letter from Alia. You can read in sentence number 1. It was very interesting to read your letter. That means Saida was very happy to receive Alia's letter. Details is, I was very interesting to read your letter. Second paragraph, I am 16 years old, school student from Johor Bahru in Malaysia. Actually, I attend an Islamic boarding school just outside the city, but my family live in Kuala Lumpur. My eldest sister is a medical doctor. The main idea of second paragraph is talk about Saida school and Saida family. Details is, I attend an Islamic boarding school, and my eldest sister is a medical doctor. Next paragraph, my favorite subject are social science. I like history very much. It helps me know more how different countries existed in the past. The main idea of this paragraph is talk about Saida's favorite subject. Details is, my favorite subject are social science. Next paragraph, as for hobby, I am really into songs and music. My favorite boy band is One Direction. My favorite Malay singer is, of course, Siti Nurhaliza. The main idea of this paragraph is talk about Saider hobby and Saider favorite boy band. Details is I am really into songs and music. My favorite boy band is One Direction. Next paragraph. I am really into books. I like reading novels and short stories. I like some writers in English like J.K. Rowling and Indonesian writers too like Andrea Hirata and Ahmad Wadi. My dream when I'm older is to be a writer of science fiction books. This paragraph has one main idea. It is talk about Saider favorite reading books. Detail says, I like reading novels and short stories. The last paragraph, I'd really love to come to Indonesia someday, especially to the magnificent Raja Ampat in Papua. What about you? Do you want to visit my country? The main idea of this paragraph talk about the favorite place in Indonesia or Saider favorite place in Indonesia. Details is I'd really love to come to Indonesia someday, especially to the magnificent Raja Ampat in Papua. After you understand the main idea and details in the text, now you must answer some question based on the text. Question number 1. Does Saider want to be Alia's friend? We find the answer in the text. Attention to the paragraph 1. The last sentence, I would really like to be your pen friend. Based on the sentence, the answer number 1 is yes, she does. Question number 2. Where does Saider study? On paragraph number 2, second sentence, actually I attend an Islamic boarding school. Based on the sentence, the answer is She studied in Islamic boarding school. Question number 3. Tell about Saida's family. On paragraph number 2, last sentence, my eldest sister is a medical doctor. Based on this sentence, the answer, question number 3, her eldest sister is a medical doctor. Question number 4, what are Saida's hobbies? The text, paragraph number 4. As for hobbies, I am really into songs and music. Based on this sentence, the answer is Saida's hobby is songs and music. Saida's hobby is listen song and music. Question number 5. Does she likes reading books? Based on this paragraph, I am really into books. I like reading novel and short story. So, the answer is yes, she does. Question number 6. What profession would she like to have later? Attention to this paragraph in the last sentence. My dream when I am older is to be a writer of science fiction books. So the answer is she wants to be a writer in fiction books. Number 7. Is she interested in visiting Indonesia? You can see paragraph or the last paragraph. I really love to come to Indonesia someday, especially to the Magician Raja Ampat in Papua. So the answer is yes, she is. Okay, I think all of you can answer a question like this based on text. Now, I show you an email from Hannah. You can read this email and answer the question. There are 5 questions, and your answer please send to me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you. See you next week.